What up? What up? What up? What's up, everybody? How you doing? How you doing? Happy holidays. If you may celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. And this is you've reached Tuck Notes, and this is beginner stock talk, baby. And what do I got? Some news today. I didn't even think I was gonna get news today because it was Sunday, but whatever. I guess I did. And so I am here to share it with you guys because I know that you're thirsty for it. All 49 of you and whatever viewers. This is Tuck Notes, beginner stock talk, if I didn't say that. And in this video, I go over different stocks that I watch from a different YouTuber. And I kind of basically copy and paste what he says in a different style, but you know, people have been happy with some of the stocks that we've covered. And so if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And we're gonna come over. So there's been some massive news that just happened within the last couple hours, and that's that Trump signed the where did I write it down? The coronavirus relief package. He signed it. So that's going to happen because he was waiting on it. They said it was going to be, what, $600? And he was like, no way. It's not enough money for the Americans. I want it to be $2,000. And so there was a battle, and, you know, it was back and forth. And finally they settled on something. I know there's a lot more to this than what I'm saying, but this is just a brief description. And so they settled on it, and so that in itself, of the talk of it signing, rallied the stock market, and the stock market hasn't even woken up yet. Not even anywhere. It's not 3:30 yet. And so why am I talking about this? So tomorrow morning, expect to see a significant rally in the overall stock market, but I don't know if it's going to last the entire day. But at least in the morning time, if you have some things you might want to sell off, tomorrow morning might be the right time to do it, because of this news that we have been so patiently waiting for. Another big thing that happened is Bitcoin just hit, and I don't talk about Bitcoin much because I don't know much about it. So if I don't know anything about it, I tell you I don't know anything about it, or I refer you to something else. I don't lie to you like a lot of other people. Bitcoin was $26,000, and now it hit 27,000. That's a big deal, and that somehow also affects our economy. Guys that know more about this, you know what's up. I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm not a Bitcoin person, but we are going to go into two companies that will be affected by Bitcoin, and they're two mining companies. The first one that we're going to go over, the ticker symbol is CAN, and that's can. And at the time this movie was filmed, it was $3.70. And prior to this, it was just kind of hovering. I wrote down a graph, but I won't show it to you, but I'll kind of draw it out like this. And then, bam, like that. So kind of like that. And we're at this part. So you're buying on the dip right now of this. And so basically this company yesterday, or when on Friday, it hit its a high of $7.20, and then it went down to $6.20. It had a pullback of down to $6.29, down to $4, down to $3.70 right now, and then I looked it up right now on Robinhood. It's $3.80. My source, David Lee, says a good buy price is $3.40. If you can get it down to $2.40, depending on the volatility of how Bitcoin fluctuates. If you can find it at that price, then get it. 240, bam, you're in. Or you can just be like, oh, whatever, this might just go up right now and buy it. I don't know, but it's $3.80. What do you got to lose? Just try it out. Try one. I'm not like telling you to do it, but I'm just putting yourself in other people's shoes. Like, just, everyone's doing it, man. Come on. I'm just kidding. But, anyways, you heard the buy price on that. $340 to $240 if you're lucky. But $340. Okay. Put it on your watch list, please. Now, the next company we're going to be talking about is called Marathon Patent Group, and the ticker symbol is MARA, and they are at $10.92 at the time this movie was filmed, and now they're $11.27. So their story, I'll draw out their graph since I'm such an editorial YouTuber. I know so much about editing. Ridiculous, but whatever. You guys, it's as long as you get the idea of what I'm trying to say, that's all I care. You know, if I could figure out how to do this editing stuff, I would, and when I will, or maybe one of you guys can jump in and, you know, tell me. But basically, this is a roadmap, and here we go. You see that? This was at like, it was writing down at like $3, $4, then it went to $5, and then it kind of dropped, and then it spiked and gapped up to $14, pulled back to $11.03, and then pulled back down to $10.90, and that's when this was filmed. And so put this on your watch list or buy it right now, because you never know. And all right, here's another thing. Check it out. I just saw this. If you bought it right now and you put your order in for tomorrow morning, you get the rally. If you have a day trade, you can use that and make your quick money that way, if you really want to do this. Or you can wait for this news to happen. It rallies up. What goes up, right? What, you know, has to come down eventually. And then when it guns down, you be watching on your phone right at that point, where he didn't even say it, but I'm just going to say it. If you can get it at $10, and if you can get it now, just get it now. I mean, there isn't, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't have like a direct buy price for this, but I'm just going to guesstimate off of the high was 14 and now is 11, and the medium of that. So if you can get it between it's between 14 and 11.27, that's between $12 and $13. If you can get it between there or right now, and you know, hold on to it. They're mining companies, and they might do really well. And it's you know, relatively cheap. It's cheap compared to other stocks. All right, I'm going on. Next stop, ticker symbol MSTR, MicroStrategy. This is a very expensive stock, okay? We don't go over very expensive stocks for lots of reasons why. However, like I always said, you can always buy 0.00001 of a share of a stock, and you can still get a little, you know, from it. Like that, trust just a little bit, you know? So, you know, this is a MicroStrategy was at $322.61. It's at $325.01. So it's gone up since the time of the movie, when the movie I watched was filmed. So that it's gone up $3. Yeah, $3. And so it's a speculative stock. What happened? It hit its high, which is 390. I thought that was an important thing, so I wrote it down. And so now, basically, you're buying this on the dip. If you want to get involved in this company, it is also affected by Bitcoin somehow. I don't know how, but if you know more about this stock than I do, then congratulations, and you can figure this problem out and, write me back. Psych, that never happens. All right, now I'm going to get into another thing. And this will be the title at some part of the YouTube video. What Santa Claus rally? I'm new to the stock market, so I don't know I'm learning vocabulary words. I'm sharing them with you guys, so hopefully you're either learning them or you knew them already. But there's a Santa Claus rally, and what in a Santa Claus rally, is it real or is it an anomaly? And I watched a little blurb on it from my YouTuber that I watch, and you guys get all your information from. And what happens is history is shown historically accurately with numbers. That's why I'm so specific about stocks. It's this or that. And the last 5 days of December and the first 2 days of January, the stock market in general rallies up a lot. And why? There's a lot of reasons out there that people say. Tax reasons. The conservatives are not conservatives, but the people that are the bearish people. I didn't mean to say conservatives. The bearish people are going on vacations now. These are two things I remember hearing. And then just there's a lot of different reasons. And, gifts, Christmas, all that stuff, Happy New Year's, I don't know. But there's proof. So I would not be surprised to see your stocks, my stocks, there's no one else in here. But anyway, everybody's stocks go up this next week. Probably followed by a big crash, I bet. But I don't know. Let's hope not. And the first 2 days of January. So I'm excited about that. He did do a little Neo blurb, and I don't want to do a Neo blurb because, Neo, you can... But their Neo Day is on January 9th, so if there's any Neo lovers out there that want to get in on it, it's $45.77. It just, it might break out to $50, so you might make that, $5 more, depending on wherever you got this, buy prices. But I hope you guys focus on these other ones I told you about, because I am too. And MicroStrategy might have to be put on hold for a little bit, but I'll do some research on that. But the other two, it'll be interesting. That, and then the other stocks we've talked about and covered, just this week will be exciting, I think, and it'll be a good week. So take in your gains, whatever you can get, and lock them in. It's always important to do that because you can get the gains. It's easy to get the gains, but it's hard to get the gains back. I'm learning that the hard way. So if you like these videos, you guys push the like button, and you can subscribe to tell others about Tuck Notes, please. I really would appreciate that. I got 49 people. I'd love to get 50, but whatever. I don't really care. You guys know that I'm authentic and what I tell you is true, and I love that because the viewers keep coming and coming, and it's rad. And my subscribers are watching, you know, and thank you guys. It means a lot. Seriously, I'm 100% that, you know, you're probably not watching the video by now, but I really appreciate it. And if you want to check me out on Instagram, it's on Tuck Notes. It's on Tucker MLO. And my blog is hashtag TuxBlog. If you want to go on to WEBULL, you can win some free stocks. Check out the link or the Robinhood link. And if you sign up for Robinhood, you get another stock for free, or you get a stock for free. So anyways, I love you all and hope you have a nice day. Okay. Bye.